want to take the shredder off and unhook the disc line up. I don't feel like setting the sound loader up tonight, so I'm gonna knock a little down and chop it up for feed. Here, maybe the next day or so, I'll be a little more willing to go up there and get the sound loader going. So, yeah, that's that. Let the 44 warm up here. So, okay, they'll be like the video. See, I got some fixes to do. So, oh well, it'll be something. Some pretty decent windrows for second crop cutting. Like I said, I'm just going to cut enough down here for feed cows here. Mix them in with the first crop hay I got left that's on the chopper box. Hi guys, how's it going? Tractor was overheating here. Well, it wasn't exactly, it was getting hot, but some of you guys may not know. John Deere's, this is your oil cooler and for your AC, so, and then your radiators right behind it. So John Deere's, and just made it so all you gotta do is lift up the hood a little bit, and you can slide this over, so that way you can blow out your radiator. So I'm gonna blow this out here quick, and then just check the coolant. It's fine, coolant oil's fine, and I'm gonna put the field cultivator digger on. So wife said she wanted to go at it, so I'm gonna blow this out quick, and figured I'd share that with you guys. And it's not too bad, and that see through that. So. But I'm sure it's just a little radiator, a little dirty, so. Alright, we'll get that blowing that out. Well, I'd say that thing definitely needed a blowing out. Holy balls, that thing was dirty. I don't think it's ever been blowed out. Been at it for half an hour and figured, it's good enough for now, so. Under here once today, and bet you it'll be a lot better, so. Yeah, what a dirty pig that was. See, working up pretty good. It's a little cloudy at some spots on this headland here, right by the line fence. So I've just come out here and work her a little bit here. I mean, it's not even working half as hard as it was the ripper behind it, and it's a little cooler today. But I think that'll make a big difference. That radiator was, she had a lot of dirt in her. Yeah. Well, dig for a little bit here in case he said she wanted to dig for a while, so that's good. I can get the corn planter ready and get that filled up, ready to go on. Shouldn't take too long to dig this there, field cultivate this down. So. Yeah, I cut a little second crop. I think I'm going to cut a little bit more again today here for feeding him. So. Ain't no dust flying, so shouldn't be. long for this corn to get up and go. 4 or 5 days it'll be on the ground. That'll be nice. Alright, well, I'll probably bring you guys back here in a little bit. Too clumpy. So you gotta make a decent seed bed, so I put the disc on here on the other 8640 and do some discing, I guess. Kinda wanted to be planted by this afternoon, but if you ain't got a decent seed bed, it ain't worth going out there. You're just throwing your seed away. Wasting your time even more, I guess. I don't know. Some of that's grass clods and stuff. They don't field cultivator or digger or whatever. Doesn't break them up worth a damn. So you had to come out here with a disc and cut them up. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Cut a little hay down. It looks like it was rain coming, but it was kind of heading north. That's alright. Nice if I get this in, and I don't think if I'll get it in today anymore. I don't know. See what happens here. Casey's up there digging. Sprue hydraulic line on the digger, so I'm gonna disc a little bit here and run home. I'm pretty sure I got an extra line for that. Yeah. Some lines on there. Yeah, that's one of the older lines that hydraulic hoses, they sit outside, get weathered and crack, and then you blow them. So I'm pretty sure I got them. I got 2 of them, I think, because I seen they were getting bad. So, and it's Sunday, and they always blow on a Sunday. So some of this stuff here, you can see it's pretty chunky. That's where it was so dang hard. I did go over it a bunch of times, but even then you hit it with a disc, it just rolls them around, it doesn't do anything. So I figured, well, I'll come out here and just cut them up quick. So, yeah, that's what we're up to now. Just a little bit too clumpy. But much of it, the rest of it looks pretty good. It's basically where it was wetter and where it was hard, the clumps are, and where it's grassy. So basically all around the outsides, edges of the field. That's just got to hit that a couple times with the disc, and there they are. I can zoom in on them. Where are they? See them little birds? Zoomed in as far as I can go. You can barely I see them. Baby killdeer. They're snipes. Some people call them snipes. Let me bring it back in here, shaking you all over. The little guys are running around. I'm trying not to run them guys over. Yeah, so that's what I'm up to. Well, he's working on that headland down there. I just did it about 3 times. Yeah, really made a big difference. So, and sometimes you just gotta do a little extra work to make it better. Nothing you can do about it. Ain't no sense leaving it rougher than hell. So I'm just gonna hit this one up here a little bit. This one ain't too bad at all. This headland here next to the line fence. And yeah, be good enough, I guess. Ready to plant. See what the clouds to the west of us here decide to do, I guess. Said we got a 50% chance of rain, so we'll see what happens. If we just get a couple tenths, it ain't no big deal. Forgot a bunch of it, it would not be good because I got it all worked up, and well, I seen that already in that field up there by the place. Just soaked it up, and now the corn looks like crap because the ground was too wet. But it is what it is. Yeah, but the rest of the field looks pretty good, so. Alright, well, I guess we'll see what happens. It's chores time now. I gotta quit. We'll do chores. Well, all of us gotta quit and do chores, so. See what the weather does and we'll go from there. Planting corn here tomorrow or maybe tonight or whenever. And I don't know if I'll get at it tonight yet anymore, but hopefully tomorrow, first thing after chores, I can plant this field, so see what happens, I guess. Nothing you can do. There's only so many hours a day, you know, so much you can get done. Down there is just powder. There's moisture there. Honey. It's sitting good, eh? Like I said, so much where it was hard or the grass was, it just really cloddy. So. Yeah, it's ain't my fucking day. Damn it. So, now just gonna put the locks down on the disc here, transport locks, whatever you want to call them. Just slung it over here, and well, top goes the hydraulic hose. Well, I don't know if I have one of those laying around. I have to go look. Then I gotta fix a line on the digger because that won't lift up because the line blew on that too. Fucking E. Hey. Looks like the heavier rain is staying west of us. Looks like he's really pouring over there. You can see it. You see it there, it's not so heavy, and there it kind of just turns white. Yeah. But yeah, this doesn't. You can see sunshine on the other side there. You can see right on the other side of that cloud. So hopefully this will be all we get. Be nice. That's north. Hoping like hell it heads up towards Rick Bork. Rick, I hope you get that rain. Hopefully it's done here now, so. Yeah. Well, yeah, it's fun enough for a video, I think. A little more rain. Okay, thanks for watching, and hopefully you hear the next video. Hopefully tomorrow I can plant corn, so we'll see what happens. Weather permitting. Alright, see you later guys, thanks.